Okay, we're back at the CR125. We rebuilt the top end. We had great compression after the rebuild. Started right up, was running good, except for the fact we had a horrible rattling sound. So at first I thought maybe, because I also replaced the clutch, I thought maybe something was loose there. We didn't get something tight or something. But now that I'm into this, we definitely got a bad bearing in the lower end. We got all kinds of play. And the crazy thing is when I had this on the bench, I checked for end play, and I wasn't getting any movement. So I don't know if it was seized up, the bearing, and I wasn't getting any play on the bench, so I thought I was good. And then once we got the top end rebuilt and we had compression and it started up, it broke it free. I'm not quite sure, but I'm disappointed I didn't catch it on the bench. But like I said, I wasn't getting any movement then. So anyhow, we're into a bottom end now. So we'll be making a set of videos for that.